I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in.
Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. In case this is your first time watching one of my videos, hi, I'm Lesley. I'm so glad to have you here. On my channel I talk about all things luxury, in particular handbags, but I cover a wide range of topics. I adore filming travel vlogs, put a pin on that, but also shopping vlogs, both inside outlet villages as well as like regular luxury boutiques. So if any of that sounds like a thing, I would love for you to consider subscribing. Anyway, so I did mention travel vlogs. Let me turn around, although the lighting will change a little bit. I'm in Shanghai. So if you've been watching some of my most recent videos, you may know that I've been traveling through China for the last 1.5-ish, going on 2 weeks, and Shanghai is our last stop. I think we have like 5 nights. So let's see, today we're on the Jing'an Tower, I think it's called. From the outside it looks like a pagoda, beautiful. I think this is the 88th floor if I'm not mistaken. Tonight, once it's dark, we're gonna like drive through the city. Chances are we're going to check out the Bund at night, so you have like a view of the Pudong, which we are currently at, which is like the Pudong is the east side of the river that runs through Shanghai. So we're going to do basically like a couple of highlights at night, and tomorrow we're going to do, I think, a bike tour through Shanghai and a couple of other bits. I don't have the itinerary memorized 100%, but I guess we're going to discover it together, and let's go. Quickly checking in with you guys before I'm gonna head out again. So we were able to check into our hotel, which is always nice. And I'm currently stood in front of my window and admiring the view, trying to not get too distracted and trying to look in the camera. I'm gonna turn the camera around in a second. I'm not overly impressed with the room itself. I mean, all like relative. In comparison to the other hotels that we stayed at, this is on the smaller side, still very spacious and definitely, definitely enough for one person, but like, the bathroom situation might need a little update here or there, but the view, I think the view makes up for it. So let me turn around the camera. Look at this view. So no idea about the like 2 skyscrapers, but down there the church is, I think, St. Ignatius something something. But regardless of the buildings, look at that sky. I'm so fortunate. It's mid to like early to mid November, and look at the sky. So I think what I'm gonna do is definitely go out and take advantage of the amazing weather. It's not chilly, but it's also not super warm. So excellent weather to just like walk around. I might head to the Starbucks Reserve Roastery location because that's definitely on my to-do list. And yeah, later today, I think I mentioned that in the intro, we have the night tour, but that doesn't start until 6:30. So I think I'm going to find myself the closest metro station and actually like take the metro to Starbucks. Metro in Beijing was super easy to navigate, and I'd imagine same applies to Shanghai. So let's get going. I don't know which way I'm going. I don't need to. As long as I don't have to stay with you. You fill me up with broken promises, 'cause you never keep them. I'm so sick of the way you let me down. Alright, so I made it to the Starbucks Reserve. As all of them, I mean, I've only ever been to the Milano one, but they are so gorgeous and so big. And this is where we're gonna enter the struggle bus because, let me turn around the camera. They have so many gorgeous mugs and they are quite heavy, so I have to be really mindful of which one I'm going to take home. I mean, this should be a no-brainer because it's so gorgeous, but there are so many beautiful mug designs.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory.
Did someone say skyline goals? Look at this. I think we're pretty close to the Bund, if that's how you pronounce it, but this is insane. Like every city that we've been to so far at night, it definitely comes to light and everything is illuminated, but Shanghai is on another level. Oh wow, and we went up, actually can't see the tower that we went up earlier today, but we did go up the Jing'an tower, I think it's called. Anyway, this is insane, but I have to rush because I don't want to lose my group.
You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back.
Good morning. So I'm almost ready to get on a bike. At least like the weather plays along. I do feel like I'm getting sick though, which was kind of inevitable because I feel like the entire group, like almost every group member has been getting sick in succession basically over the last 2 weeks. So it was meant to happen to me at some point, but fingers crossed it won't be too bad. I just feel like a little tingle in the back of my throat. If it stays at that, I'm perfectly fine with it, just to like let you know in case my voice changes a little. That's why. Anyway, so let me grab breakfast. Actually, we do get breakfast alongside or like during one of the stops of our bike tour, but chances are, with me being celiac, I won't be able to eat anything. So let's go to the breakfast buffet and then get on the bike.
I don't like to admit to you, but I do. You say you had no clue what I want to do with you. And yet I hope in your heart that when we are apart, you feel me. You know from the start that nothing's gonna break my love for you, babe. You can't keep me far away for long. You can't keep me far away for too long. There's no need to pretend that you don't when you do. I really want to know.
So apparently these streets lined with trees on either side is a sign that we're in the French concession. There's no way of me fact checking it, but it sure looks beautiful. Like you don't feel like you're in such a mega city. Blanking on the amount of inhabitants that Shanghai has, like 26 million if I'm not mistaken. It's apparently the second largest city in China. The biggest is Chongqing, which we did go to. We didn't stay in Chongqing, it's just like where we arrived with the, let me see, I think we arrived with the bullet train Then we had dinner and then we boarded the Yangtze River cruise. But this area is so pretty and so vibey, like small little shops everywhere. It's so beautiful. Okay, let me speed up. Hopefully the audio was alright. Catch you later. We're not at the garden anymore, it's actually the Bund again, which we did go to yesterday, but at night obviously, and now it's like, is it like 10 past, oh geez, sorry about the wind, it's 10 past 4 and we're losing sunlight as we speak. It's basically, yeah, I actually don't know where the sun is. It's very overcast, which makes taking pictures a little bit of a struggle when it comes to the lighting. But anyway, so we're at the Bund again. And I think the last thing on our itinerary should be like a silk factory. I wasn't aware that that was part of the itinerary, but I guess we're going to check it out. Chances are it's going to be like a selling event, but I'm just going to like let it wash over me. And afterwards, we're going to have the farewell dinner because the majority of the group that I'm traveling with is actually leaving tonight or tomorrow. I do have another couple of days. Chances are I'm going to end this vlog tonight. And I'm gonna, once I'm like free to roam around by myself without having like a fixed itinerary and like a group to look out for and schedules to comply with, I'm going to start another vlog. I think I have like 2 days in Shanghai by myself and then I'm gonna go to Disneyland. So Disney will probably be a separate vlog, but yeah, my 2 days after I'm done with this vlog will be baked into Shanghai vlog part 2, I guess. Anyway, so I think talking about itinerary, I have 5 minutes to go until I have to like catch up with my group again, and then we're gonna go to the silk factory and yeah, I guess let's see what that's about. Hi guys, so it's already the next day. I do have 2 full days left in Shanghai, plus 1 day, which is gonna be spent in Disneyland, so that's gonna be a separate vlog. But yeah, forgot to, didn't get around to outroing this vlog yesterday after the farewell dinner. I made what was supposed to be a quick pit stop at a supermarket, but I just adore going to different kinds of supermarkets in different countries. So I did spend quite a good amount of time in there, but anyway, it was way too late to outro this vlog. So here we are. I'm currently on my way to, I think it's called Wukong Street, Wukong Mansion, something along those lines. That's going to be in the next vlog, so stay tuned for Shanghai vlog number 2. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'm still working and I'm determined to make it, but I can't do it without your help to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you can help me get there, that would be amazing. Also, there's going to be either in this corner or in the other corner, it's 9 in the morning. There's going to be the China vlog series, like a playlist link, because yeah, there are quite a good amount of vlogs for you to check out in case you haven't already. But anyway, I don't want to keep you any longer. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to catch you on one of the next videos. Bye.
One thing I know for sure, what we have is something worth fighting for. With bad news knocking at my door, but I like it like that. We go all in and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong. fire.